Rights groups and psychiatrists have welcomed a ruling by the High Court that declared it unconstitutional to treat suicide attempts as a crime. The Kenya National Commission on Human Rights and the Kenya Psychiatric Association, who filed the petition, say the ruling is a significant milestone in addressing the intersection between mental health, disability rights and constitutional freedoms in Kenya. Rose Wangui has the details.
In a landmark ruling made on Thursday, High Court Judge Lawrence Mugambi declared the criminalization of attempted suicide unconstitutional. In his ruling, Mugambi found that criminalizing attempted suicide endorses discrimination based on the health status, contrary to Article 27 of the Constitution. The judgment also acknowledged that criminal sanctions perpetuate stigma and shame for survivors of suicide attempts, often isolating them from community and institutional support, while recognizing suicide as a public health issue rather than a criminal matter. Mugambi was ruling on constitutional petition that was filed by three petitioners, the late Charity Muturi, the Kenya Psychiatric Association, and the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. They argued that criminalization of attempted suicide disproportionately target individuals with mental health conditions and disabilities. The Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, KNHCR, which joined the petition to the High Court, welcomed a significant milestone. It was a rallying call for an open and candid conversation about mental health and goes a long way in raising awareness, fighting stigma and discrimination, read part of the statement. Chitai Murabula, president of the Kenya Psychiatric Association, wrote on X that the ruling should lead to the immediate release of all patients in custody on account of attempted suicide and fast-tracking of a bill currently in Parliament to decriminalize other aspects of mental illness. Section 226 of the Penal Code criminalizes attempted suicide and provides a punishment of 2 years imprisonment, a fine, or both once found guilty. The ruling still requires the Attorney General to initiate the process to formally repeal that section of the Penal Code. Rose Wangui, NTV.